In today's video, I'll show you how to create a Cloudflare account from start to finish. If you're new to Cloudflare, it is a platform that helps manage website security, performance, and domain settings. Creating an account is the first step before using its features. First, open the Cloudflare website and click on the Sign Up option. This will take you to the account creation page. Next, enter your email address and create a strong password for your account. Make sure your login details are secure, then continue with the registration process. After submitting your information, Cloudflare may ask you to verify your email address. Open your inbox, find the verification email, and confirm your account. Once your email is verified, log into your Cloudflare dashboard. This is the main area where you can manage your websites, security settings, and other Cloudflare tools. Before adding any website, take a moment to explore the dashboard and understand where different options are located. If you want to use Cloudflare with a website, you can add your domain from the dashboard and follow the setup instructions provided. After completing the setup, your Cloudflare account will be ready to use for managing your website settings and improving performance. And that's how you create a Cloudflare account. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.